Do you deal with fluid handling equipment? Then you're familiar with the issues of sealing systems for pumps and rotating equipment. Mechanical packing consumes a lot of costly power, many gallons of water per flush, an untold quantity of pump product loses from leakage. Converting to a mechanical seal ensures less leakage and waste. However, it can fail suddenly, is more expensive, and in case of dense and abrasive fluids, have a short life cycle between replacements. Of course, one option is injecting flush water into the stuffing box, which can increase the seal life, but it means diluting the product and reducing pump efficiency. This requires up to well over 25 gallons per minute per pump. Literally a river of water and tremendous amount of energy. A true problem for the environment as well as for your maintenance budget. Replacing any part then causes machine downtime, often lasting longer than planned, creating a huge loss of production time, driving costs up, and if the spare part is not in stock, compounding downtime even more. How do you determine which is the perfect sealing system? Style 907, patented by Sealtek, is the answer. The Italian company manufacturing innovative and revolutionary mechanical seals since 1989. We designed and engineered the 907 hybrid sealing system that combines the advantages of our zero leakage system, injectable packing with the practicality and efficiency of a mechanical seal. Leakage is almost eliminated, combined with zero use of electricity and no water required, thanks to the self-lubricating mixture of injectable packing and frictionless running surface of the rotary sleeve. Installation could not be any simpler. We have engineered and designed the system so when tested and readied, it comes as a pre-assembled cartridge system easily installed outside of the stuffing box, without any adjustment or measurement and without modifying the pump. The seal never needs to be replaced, only topped up. In this way, you avoid downtime, don't waste material, eliminate the need to keep hundreds of parts in stock, all while saving precious water and costly energy and maintenance costs, improving your bottom line. Ask for more information